The event has been really amazing. We got the right people, we got institutions, we got representatives of the industry, and we got those that are building up this industry. SDCA that has been hosted within the Vertiv Day is the conglomeration of all the players into the data center industry. Data center industry is what it is enabling us to live, and what it is enabling us with the AI to go to the next step.